We got us a new dog. A stray come up. And we're getting them all introduced to each other. He can run pretty fast. He's going to make a good trail dog. Ben would like to get him because Ben thinks he's got protect from other animals, so we're hanging on to him. Yeah, he's a youngster. You know, that boy's big. I'm going to call him Sonny. And, yeah, well, that's good. And he come up from the back, but we kept him back.
Keep him for a few days, see if anybody
claims him.
And if not, we're going to take him to the vet and make a gentleman out of him.
Nobody got him fixed. We'll have to watch Belle. I think Belle can hide from him. But anyway, Belle, you want to go in the house? But we're coming back into a warm fire. It's cold out here. Wait a minute, I gotta go get Belle. We put him in the front yard last night. Hey, Sonny, and he's not gonna know nothing. Oh, Belle, come on. She got out. We won't come bring him in the house with the group here. Belle, come on.
Belle.
Come on. Here, boy. Come on, boy. Come on. You want to come in? I ain't coming in with that pack of dogs.
I'll see if I can get it.
No.
Come here, Sonny.
Come on.
Come on.
Come on, boy.
Come on.
Come
Hey,
on.
Sonny boy. Come here.
Hey. Come on.
Tiger.
Call Belle towards you.
Belle.
Come on.
Here.
Come on.
Hey.
He says, I don't know about this.
Oh, come on.
Come on. Let's go. Come on, baby.
Tiger. No. Tiger.
Tiger.
Come here.
Come on.
Hey.
Come on.
Blue.
We might not be able to get him in, but Belle loves him.
Blue. Blue. Good.
Well, we got him in. Of course, Ben kind of looks at him like, I'll kill you.
Here.
Checking everybody out. Everybody was mostly aggressive with him yesterday, especially Ben. Ben wanted to kill him, but we're going to make them merge, get along.
Well, he come up from the back out of the desert. That's where the coyotes come from. And that's what Ben's saying. They're just something to run off.
Yeah.
Come here. Come here. Be good.
I don't trust Ben at all,
Come here.
but he needs to smell of him. Everybody needs, he's a youngster, and that's going to help a lot. They know he's still a puppy. He's just a big old boy. I've been wishing to have a trail dog, and I got my wish. If somebody don't claim him, I'll take him out for my walks and be more protected by coyotes, having more dogs.
Hey.
But, of course, Belle, she really likes him. But she's a little scared of him because he's a youngster. Good boy, Ben. Good boy. He's taking that leash off. I think he's going to be okay.
There you go.
He's been charging this new dog, almost knocking the door and gates open. So we'll all sit around here for a minute and warm up. Bill got the heater going. This is a fine time to get me a new dog when we're sick. Ben's checking him out, and he's scared of Ben because Ben's a giant.
Hey. Hey. Everybody be good.
But they're all going to be together today. We'll watch them.
Hey.
was going to call him Lucky because I felt lucky getting him, but I decided to go ahead and call him Sonny. We call him Sonny Boy. He must be under the chair. But he'll have a lot of work to do. He's going to get used to chickens and not kill them, because I don't know what he's like. We had him locked up yesterday in the front, so now we merged everybody. They all look like they're going to do good. Yeah.
Bill likes him.
Yeah, Belle loves him. But
Oh,
I just
that's another brother.
want to make sure Ben don't hurt him.
I think he'll be okay.
I think they know he's puppy. But being a little stud dog, he likes the females. But we'll fix that pretty soon. So how do I get out here? You probably don't know anything about doggy doors. Well, we'll have him if anybody comes looking for him. Oh, here comes Tippy. She hadn't seen him before.
Tippy.
She wonders what's going on. I'm glad to see them all calm. They were all barking at him. Blue and Ben and Tiger was being real aggressive. But they all calmed down now. Well, I think Ben's going to be okay. You'll see the dogs going out the doggy door. So how'd they do that?
Did you see that?
How'd they go outside? He wonders. He'll have to learn how to do it. Blue is giving him low growls. Whoa.
Oh, be good.
They're all trying to say, we're boss.
Be good, Blue.
Blue wants to make sure he understands Blue's the top dog. Right now he's low rating dog.
Hey.
Because he's just a goofy kid. But sure be glad to have him out in the desert with me. Oh, so where everybody's being bossy. Oh, she's got her teeth up at him.
She did?
Yeah. She's probably scared. Uh-oh. Here comes the boss. Even though he looks like a nice, gentle boy, he can be quite wild at times. So you have to watch him. These Pyrenees are pretty tough boys, girls. When it gets serious, they take care of business. And to him, this dog was just nothing but like a coyote. Get out of here.
Hey.
Ben's just trying to show him he's the boss.
Be good.
I'm going to hide under my chair. Well, we got him when we're sick and it's cloudy and cold.
Yeah, well, it is.
No.
Windy.
But I'm going to train him.
Blue, be good.
And eventually he'll be
Blue.
a trail dog with our horses and go
Blue.
out with us once he learns the ropes.
That's better.
And we're hoping that Blue can teach him. We need a new trail dog.
Come here. Honey. Let's get the dog.
Thanks for watching. I'm Out West Homestead. Bye. I love getting this dog. Ben was trying to play with him. Oh. Tiger chased him yesterday. Hey. It looks like they're going to get along. I was hoping he was going to play with him again. He was jumping around. Oh, Blue's going to get up here with me. Oh, get me away from that kid. Bill bought me some coffee. I think it's going to work out real good.
Hey. I think he's probably been kicked around a lot.
Yeah, he's a little spooky of people. So I think he's been
touched.
Yeah. I've been giving him hugs, getting him used to hugs. But he acts like you're going to hit him or something. So he's like Annie, he's going to have to learn we love him. We're not going to hurt him. I don't know why people be so mean to dogs.
Ben is kind of an in-your-face dog.
He's just letting him know I'm the boss. He was trying to play with him a while ago.
Was he?
Yeah, he was jumping around, wagging. He'd be a good one for Ben to play with. See? He's liking him. I'm glad to see that. Yesterday he wanted to kill him.
Hey. Don't do that.
Well, anyway, we'll settle this little boy down and teach him nobody's going to hurt him. He always jumps when we touch him. Yeah, a lot to learn. Oh, Blue, stop. Yeah, I like seeing that. Ben's got a playmate. Who's growling? Is that Blue?
Toby.
Oh, Toby. Well, that boy come to the right house. He's gonna have a job and play. And get a lot of love. Yeah. You're not gonna love him, Blue? Not right now.
I hate his guts and liver.
You hate his guts and liver?
Hey, Blue.
Well, he'll mind you, because he's a little boy.
He's going to sleep with you, Blue.
He's going to sleep right next to you, Blue.
Yeah.
We're going to psych Blue out. Yeah. You want him to sleep right next to you? You don't want him to? Oh my gosh. I'm so happy to see Ben like that, because yesterday Ben was all different.